Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of meditation, okay? Just try to close your eyes. Watch your own mind. Doesn't matter. Any kind of feeling or any kind of thoughts, just recognize that thought. Your mind, the mindfulness, the moment right now, what your mind is thinking or anything as your mind. If you don't have anything thinking right now, it's okay. Not try to bring something. Just recognize or identify what a moment right now in your mind. Doesn't matter good or bad, just mindfulness that a moment. If you do that, you don't have to also investigation where they come from, why this happened. Just person right now, what is that? Just mindfulness that a moment is also your mind calm down and with you. Okay, this is a try to anytime do a little bit about that. It'll be good for your mind. Anytime, whatever you can do that meditation in your office, in your home, anywhere at a quiet place. Thank you.